Another day in Boyle Heights. Ghetto birds. Don't let people sleep. So we got 3 officers with flashlights looking for paraphernalia. I don't know. These motherfuckers, man. White Memorial, for those who don't, for those who know where it's at, right here. Mariachi Plaza, where you can always round a few of their asses up, have them play something for you. Low prices, mention my name, 10% off. Yeah. I wonder what the fuck they're doing. Yo, can I get in trouble for filming this shit?